Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will give you solution of all objective questions of all chapters as per term 1. Okay, so let's start this video with solution of all chapters objective questions. So first I will tell you this is a revision video of as per term 1. Okay, so let's start. First chapter, history, modern period in Indian history, when, where and how. Okay, so in this chapter MCQ question. First, the industrial revolution occurred in England in the century, so correct option is C, 18th. Okay, next section A, question 2. The British concept of centralized rule brought political unity and the spirit of nationalism in the dash century in India. So correct answer is option C, 19th. Okay, so next question 3. In India, the modern period began with the establishment of dash rule under the East India Company. So answer is in this question correct answer is option C, British. Okay. Question 4. The National Archives of India is located in dash. So correct answer is C, option C, New Delhi. Okay. 5th. English and French companies both had interested in dash. So correct answer is option A, India. Okay. So here your chapter 1 MCQ is completed. Let's proceed next chapter, chapter 2. Okay. This is chapter 2 MCQ. Chapter 2 name is Colonial Rule in India. Okay. So in this chapter MCQ question section A, first question is India was a country engaged in dash since the ancient time. Okay, so correct answer is option C, trade. Next question 2, dash implemented the doctrine of lapse. So correct answer option B, Dalhousie. Question 3, the dash were the first to visit India for trade. So correct answer is option D, Portuguese. Fourth question, dash gave the British the first Farman. So first Farman gave the British. Correct option is option C, Aurangzeb. Okay. Question 5. Hyder Ali became the ruler of Mysore in dash. So correct answer is option A, 1761. So dear student, here your chapter 2 MCQ question is completed. Let's proceed next question, chapter 3, that is colonial administration. Okay, so in this chapter first MCQ question in section A, the British Empire was formally established by option B, 1856. Okay. Question 2, the dash were in charge of the cities. So correct answer is option A, Kotwal. Question 3, the majority of the British Indian Army comprised of dash. So correct answer option B, sepoys. Okay. Next question 4, a charter is a grant from the dash giving rights and privileges to an individual or corporation. So correct option D, sovereign. Okay. Question 5. Before the Charter Act of 1833, the East India Company had a monopoly in dash trade in India and China. So correct option of this question is option D, T. So here your history chapter 3 MCQ question is completed. Next we will proceed next chapter of history, chapter 4, that is rural life and society. In this chapter MCQ first question is, prior to the coming of Europeans, the revenue in a village used to be collected by the dash. So correct option is A, Jamidar. Question 2. Riots Association was formed by dash. So correct answer is option D, N.G. Ranga. Question 3. Dash introduced the Rayatwari settlement. So correct answer of this question is option B, Thomas Munro. Question 4. The British paid in dash for Chinese tea. So correct answer of this question is option C, silver. Question 5. The permanent settlement was introduced in Bengal in the year dash. So correct answer of this question is option C, 1793. Okay. So according to your syllabus of as per term 1, history chapter 1 to 4 MCQ question is completed. Next, in my next slide, I will give you your geography chapter 1 MCQ questions. So first geography chapter name is our resources. So in this chapter first MCQ question, water is a dash resources. So correct option is option B, abiotic. Question 2. Which of the following products can be recycled? So in this question correct answer is a gold jewelry. Option A, gold jewelry. Okay. 3. An example of a human made resources is, so answer is dam. Option C, dam. Question 4. Which of the following is abiotic resources? So answer is option A, air. Question 5. The rainforests of the Amazon basin are dash. So correct answer is no, option B, non-renewable. Okay. Here your geography chapter 1 MCQ is completed. Let's proceed your geography chapter 2 MCQ. Chapter 2, that is land and soil resources. So in this chapter first MCQ question, the percentage of the total surface area of the earth that is covered by land is dash. So answer is option B is correct, 30. Question 2. The alpine meadows are used for dash. So correct answer option D, grazing. Third, India's forest cover is dash. So correct option A, 22%. 4. The Ganga plain is covered with dash soil. So correct option is option D, alluvial. Fifth, gully erosion is common in dash. So correct answer of this question is option A, Chambal Valley. So here your geography chapter 2 MCQ is completed. Let's proceed geography chapter 3 water resources MCQs. So first question of this chapter, the percentage of the total water on the earth easily available and fit for human use is dash. So correct answer is option D, 1%. Question 2, a large dam in Pakistan is correct option of this question is option D, Tarbela. Question 3, which of the following countries does not face water scarcity? So correct answer option A, UK. UK full form United Kingdom. Question 4, a disease that is not caused by contaminated water is dash. So correct answer of this question option A, malaria. Question 5, underground water reserves have been depleted by dash. Option B is correct of this in this question. Correct answer option B, construction of houses. Okay, next geography chapter 4 MCQ. Chapter 4 natural vegetation and wildlife resources. In this chapter first MCQ question, the grasslands of the Brazilian highlands are also known as. So correct answer is option B, Campos. Question 2, dash is a cold desert. So correct option C, Patagonia. Question 3, which of the following trees is not found in the temperate deciduous forests? And correct answer option A, rosewood. Question 4, marsupials are found in dash. So correct answer is option D, Australia. Fifth, citrus fruit trees are found in the dash forest. So correct answer is A, Mediterranean. Okay, so here your geography all chapters as per term 1 syllabus of term 1 is completed. In my next slide I will give you civics chapter 1 MCQ. Civics chapter 1, that is the Constitution of India. So in this chapter first MCQ question, Article dash of the Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability. So correct answer is option C, 17. Article 17 of the Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability. Question 2, the Untouchability Offence Act was passed in the year. So correct answer option A, 1955. Third, a dash was set up to make the Constitution for India. So correct answer A, drafting committee. Question 4, the day Constitution came into effect is celebrated as. So option C is correct, Republic Day. 5, in a nation like India, where people of divergent religious beliefs, cultural and socio-economic backgrounds reside, a spirit of dash helps to unify the people. So correct answer is secularism. Here your civics chapter 1 is chapter 1 MCQ is completed. Next your civics chapter 2 secularism and the Indian Constitution. First MCQ question is, dash formed the majority community in Sri Lanka. So in this question correct answer is option C, Sinhalese. Question 2, which of these is not a secular value? So this question correct option is option D, collection of taxes by the government for promoting any religion is correct answer. Question 3. The Indian state makes special reservation for backward caste or class as well as option B women. Question 4. A law was passed in dash prohibiting employment of children below the age of 14. So correct answer option D 2006. Question 5. Abolition of slavery and bonded labor upholds the rights against dash. Correct answer option D exploitation. Okay. Next question, chapter 3 of civics, parliamentary government and the union executive MCQ question. So first question of this chapter is the president of India earns, so correct answer option C 5 lakhs. Question 2. After election, the first session of parliament is addressed by the option D president. Third, the parliament enjoys different categories of power. So correct option C 5. Question 4. Look after the day-to-day administrative functions of the state. So correct answer option B civil servants. Question 5. The dash is the leader of the Lok Sabha. So correct option C Prime Minister. Next in this video, next slide is civics chapter 4, that is the judiciary, and this chapter is last chapter of your according your syllabus as per term 1. So the judiciary chapter first MCQ question is the court of session judge tries dash cases. So correct option B civil. Second, the highest state level court for appeal is option B High Court. Third, the first time Lok Adalat was held, it settled dash cases in 1 day. So correct answer option D 150. Question 4. Retirement age of a High Court judge is option B 62. 5. Dispute over money and property can be categorized as dash case. So correct answer of this question is option D civil. So dear student, here your all MCQ questions of SST as per term 1 is completed. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.